everyone, it's David at Finish Line Factory, and it's a rainy day here at the downtown of the Gardens Mall. It's day 4 of Supercar week. It's kind of a rainy day, so the turnout isn't as big as I thought it would be, but it's still a little early at 7 o'clock. Event ends at 9, so I'll see what shows up. Alright, so here we got a few cars here, not much lighting, but there's a Ferrari 360 here and a Ferrari 348 TS, as well as AMG GT and AMG SLS Black Series. All these cars are brought up by Lusso Motorsports. It looks like a, not sure, I think this is a Chrysler. That's a Chrysler. I got a Chevy lineup. Let's see, Jeep Grand Cherokee. What is this? This looks weird. This is oh, this is actually a C5 Corvette, and they replaced the body and several of the panels to make it look like it's a C1 Corvette, which is pretty cool. Gives it a classic look, but you can always tell that it's a C5 because of that. It doesn't replace the windshield, so that's one way you can tell. There's a Porsche Boxster, a Shelby GT 500 over there. Coming over this way, there's a Rentec tuned Mercedes E63 AMG S, McLaren MP412C, or is it a 650S? Let me see. I think it's actually a 650S. No, actually, my first guess was right. This is a MP412C. And then it's across the street. There's a Stance BMW M3. Looks like it's on BBS wheels. And another Scion FRS on rotary forms. Looks like the BMW's taking off. Oh, yellow guard auto shorting up. And classic Ferrari. I'm actually not familiar with this model. So it's a Ferrari 400i. Okay. I guess it's running a little rich. You can smell it. But it's kind of a two-door GT coupe. It's probably like the precursor to like the 550 Maranello and the F12. Pretty cool. Alright, boys and girls, the event's over. It's actually winding down. Not a big turnout because of the rain. A lot of people are just kind of scared to drive their cars out here, but tomorrow's Delray Beach, day 5, and I'll be there. So I'll see you guys later. Peace. Hey, alright, so as you may recall, my GoPro was stolen from my car when I went to the holiday party at Supercar rooms. Someone broke into my car and stole my camera bag, like my lens. Didn't take the camera, but they took my GoPro and a bunch of equipment. So unfortunately, I don't have the money to replace the GoPro. A new GoPro is like $400, and even a used one, still for a decent one, it's $250, $300, right? So I went online and I found this cheap knockoff GoPro for $60. So is it a piece of shit? I don't know. Let's find out. There's some knife here. Some knife tricks. Anyway, before I cut myself, let's get the cutting box open. And here it is. So this is the Akaso Action Camera EK7000 box. So here we have the adult-proof seal. Break into that. So this is actually $62 shipped on eBay. We have zip ties. Okay. A strap. Looks like some kind of mount. Extensions. Manual. Don't need this. Let's speed this up a little. Okay. So it isn't immediately apparent how to get at the actual camera itself without destroying this box. Oh, you know what? It's almost as if this is sealed in. I think you have to destroy the box to get at it. Ooh. You got a mouse trap. And here's the meat and potatoes, the camera itself. The platform upon which this is mounted is in actuality so this is actually a stand. This is a stand that you can use for your GoPro. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. This is tight. Alright, so I gotta get a screwdriver. I'll be right back. I've never gotten a flu shot. Not a problem, but okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll catch you later. Thanks, Mom. Bye. Getting a screwdriver, and my mom's calling me about getting a flu shot. I mean, I don't know, maybe I should, but that'll be good. That'll be good. And here we have it. The Akaso EK 7000. Let's zoom the camera in a little bit. Getting started. Peel off the films on the camera screen. Certainly. Autofocus is completely failing me right now. Okay. Wow, it's extremely light. Weighs almost nothing. So, first turn on. Here's the power button. So the device is on, and you know what? I mean, that's a shady little screen, but let's see how it records. So let's start recording. All right. So from what I've heard, these actually have kind of crappy internal microphones, but yeah. So we're recording now. As a matter of fact, hang on. Point my camera at this camera, and we're recording while we're recording. So hopefully the video on this thing doesn't completely suck. We'll see how the audio looks too. But yeah, this is actually a nifty little camera. So let me see. Got the kitchen here, some dirty dishes. Got the kitchen here, some dirty dishes. Actually, this is just I was doing some shit here. Clean dishes. My kitchen is filthy, so don't knock me any points. But yeah, so this is the new GoPro, or fake GoPro. But if these don't completely suck, I might even buy more of these. I mean, $60. You for the cost of one GoPro, you could buy an army of these. I mean, wow. Oh, interesting. It's actually not a touchscreen. Which is okay. I can live with that. All right, boys and girls, that's it for today. If you like that, subscribe. If you didn't like that, don't do anything rash. If you didn't like that, perhaps watch another video. Maybe you like that one too. I don't know. Anyway, see you guys later. Peace.